evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed my pleasure in welcoming you to Coven Care Ability Awards 2013. I would like to introduce my co-host for this evening, Vijaya Bhaskaran. We now move on to the awards. Unusually this year, the jury decided to have a special award. They felt the need to recognize his talent and determination. We present to you the Coven Care Ability Special Recognition Award. The recipient of this award is Hrideshwar Singh Bhati. Can we have the AV, please?
Hrideshwar Singh Bhati was diagnosed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, a degenerative muscular disorder, when he was just 4 years old.
3-4 years back, when we came to know about his muscular dystrophy, we were shocked and we didn't know how to react. But his enthusiasm, his energy, his way of coping up gave us energy, and it keeps motivating us, and it always inspires us to move on no matter what happens.
A couple of days back, his mother told me that the problem which was in his legs has started gradually coming into his upper limbs also, and his mother could feel it. So Hrideshwar could hear what we were talking about him. He didn't look sad or unhappy. He was like, okay, I have this problem and I have to deal with it.
Hrideshwar has continued to adapt to his increasing physical limitations with characteristic and infectious positivity and zest for life. A passion for science and games paved the way for the new chessboard.
I asked my father that is there a chess for 6 players. So I decided to make 2, 3, 4 and 6 player chess.
He is dependent on wheelchair. He cannot move his body, but he is determined to move the world of chess in his own style. Not only he is inspiring and the people who are disabled, he is also inspiring those people who want to go for rare achievements despite extreme hardships.
I was told that, you will have to take care of him. But as far as my memory goes, I never had any instance where I had to help Hrideshwar with anything. The smile on his face, the attendance, the regularity, the punctuality, everything, gives me a kind of feeling that there is so much to learn from him. And the day I got to know that he's the youngest patent holder makes us really feel proud.
Hrideshwar is a very nice person. He's very creative and innovative, and he's an inspiration to all the people who give up in such hard circumstances. My favorite quotation is, the only disability is low self-esteem. People who cannot walk can fly with their attitude.
Hrideshwar Singh Bhati, recipient of the Coven Care Ability Special Recognition Award 2013.
Success is spelled with an ABC, ability, break, courage. Then for this young boy, it's spelled black, white and checkmate. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Hrideshwar Singh Bhati. May I now call upon May I now invite renowned filmmaker Mr. Radha Mohan to present the citation. He also is a member of the jury of the Coven Care Ability Awards.
Good evening, everyone. Coven Care Ability Jury Special Recognition Award given to Hrideshwar Singh Bhati on the 9th day of March 2013 in Chennai. In recognition of excellence achieved against all odds, a sprightly lad of just 9.5, diagnosed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, is the epitome of confidence and cheer, a school topper with several accomplishments and accolades to his credit. Not for a moment allowing his condition to prove detrimental to anything he wants, a will to play the game he loved, chess. With all his friends, led him to explore ways of doing so. guiding him to create a chessboard for up to 6 players, ending up in being India's youngest patent holder. Surrounded by love, admiration, and his own self-confidence, he strides towards new pages every day, spreading out his net of accomplishments far and wide as God wills.
So, Mr. Radha Mohan, if I could request you to present the citation to our young Special Recognition Awardee, Hrideshwar Singh Bhati. And if I could invite you, Brinda Das, our anchor for this evening, to present a memento, a token of our appreciation to Radha Mohan. Thank you so much.
Let's hear it one more time for Hrideshwar. Thank you.